Installation into a pre-drilled borehole is simple, requiring no grouting. The instrument is now monitoring, and by simply connecting and calibrating to a head unit, automated monitoring is underway. No more manually reading, recording, or processing of data. The integrated sensors detect dilation, deformation, shear, and strain. Data will now be collected and transmitted at preset adjustable intervals to a central server via the Wi-Fi-enabled head unit. In addition, where Wi-Fi is not available, data can be collected locally from the head unit using the tablet. The RockSHIELD software presents the data in a user-friendly interface, allowing geotechnical engineers and mine officials to access this critical information remotely. Visual indicators enable underground workers to monitor directly, and the RockSHIELD software provides oversight and early warning. The information and data sent via RockSHIELD identifies and quantifies the time, mode, and depth of failure in the rock mass. Thresholds and triggered alerts enable informed decisions and peace of mind for all mine workers.